Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we're diving into an essential and professional type of letter, the employment verification letter for visa applications. Whether you're an employer writing this letter or an employee requesting it, getting it right is critical for supporting a visa application. In this tutorial, we'll break down each part of the letter step by step, using a detailed example to ensure you understand what to include and why it's important. Let's get started. Company letterhead. To begin, the letter should be on the official company letterhead. This immediately establishes authenticity and professionalism. A company letterhead includes the organization's logo, name, and contact details, ensuring the letter is recognized as an official document. This small but significant step reassures the visa officer that the letter is legitimate and credible. Always ensure the letterhead is clean, clear, and properly formatted. Date. The next element is the date. This is when the letter is written and is vital for ensuring the document is current and valid. Including the date allows the authorities to confirm that the information provided is recent. Example: date, month, day, year. Make sure the date is accurate and follows the format commonly accepted in your country, such as January 6, 2025. Recipient's information. Now, include the details of the visa officer or the relevant authority. This section should be addressed formally and include the embassy or consulate name, their address, city, state, and zip code. Example: visa officer or relevant authority. Embassy or consulate name. Address, city, state, zip code. Providing this information ensures the letter is directed to the correct person or office, which helps streamline the application process. Subject line. The subject line is crucial because it summarizes the purpose of the letter in a single sentence. It should be concise and to the point. Example: subject, employment verification for employee's full name. This makes it immediately clear to the recipient what the letter is about and who it concerns, saving time and avoiding confusion. Salutation. Start the letter with a formal greeting. Use Dear Visa Officer or Dear Sir or Madam if you don't know the specific name of the officer handling the application. Example: Dear Visa Officer or Sir or Madam. A polite and professional salutation sets the tone for the rest of the letter. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph introduces the purpose of the letter and confirms the employee's current employment status. Example: this letter is to confirm the employment of employee's full name, who has been a valued member of company name since start date. He or she or they currently holds the position of job title within our organization. This paragraph is straightforward and immediately establishes the employee's role in the company. It reassures the visa officer that the individual is employed and has the company's support. Employment details. In this section, include a detailed breakdown of the employee's employment information. Be thorough and precise, as this data is critical for visa processing. Example: employment details, full name, employee's full name. Position, job title. Start date of employment. Employment. Type, full-time or part-time or contractor. Salary. Specify gross annual or monthly salary. Work location, address of the workplace. This information is the heart of the letter. It provides clear evidence of the employee's position, type of employment, salary, and work location. Including these details helps the visa officer understand the individual's stability and ties to the organization. For example, specifying the salary demonstrates financial independence, while mentioning the work location shows geographical stability. Professional endorsement. Here, highlight the employee's professionalism and their standing in the company. Example: employee's full name has consistently demonstrated professionalism and competence in fulfilling the responsibilities of his or her or their role. He or she or they is in good standing with our organization, and we anticipate his or her or their continued contribution to our team. This section emphasizes the employee's value to the company, painting them as a reliable and integral member of the team. It reassures the visa officer that the individual is not only employed, but also highly regarded. Purpose of the letter. Explain why the letter is being written and its significance in the visa process. Example: this letter is being provided at the request of employee's full name to support his or her or their visa application. This concise explanation clarifies the intent of the letter and ties it directly to the visa application process. Offer to provide additional information. Always include an offer to provide further clarification or documentation if needed. This demonstrates your willingness to cooperate and ensures the visa officer has all necessary information. Example: should you require additional information or clarification, please do not hesitate to contact me directly at your phone number or via email at your email address. This part of the letter reflects professionalism and readiness to assist, which can make a positive impression on the visa officer. Closing paragraph and signature. Finally, close the letter with a polite and formal sign-off. Example: thank you for your time and attention. Sincerely, your full name, your job title, company name, contact information. The closing section is your opportunity to leave a lasting impression. End on a respectful note and include your full name, title, and contact information to make it easy for the recipient to follow up if needed. And that's how you write a professional employment verification letter for a visa application. By following this structure and using clear, precise language, you can ensure your letter meets all the necessary requirements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below with your questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.